Names of animals. Let's go. Carry. It can be white, can be domestic animal, it can be anything. Let's go. You start. Letter what? Show me now, show the camera. Letter H. What animal starts with the letter H? Oh, clap for her. People are not clapping. Why? Let's go. G. What animal starts with the letter G?
Good.
Goat. Let's go. Man. Let's go. Letter what? What animal starts with letter P? Pig. Let's go. 2-1. Let's go. Letter what? N. What animal starts with letter N? 5, 4, 3, 2, drop. Let's go. Next person. M. What animal starts with letter M? Monkey. Clap for her. Clap for her. If I see say you need a clap, you know go come here. Next person. Letter what?
C.
What animal starts with letter C?
Cat.
Cat! Let's go. Let's go. Next. S. What animal starts with letter S? What animal starts with letter
Snake.
Snake? Let's go. Clap for her. Clap for her. Next person.
K.
K. What animal starts with letter K? What animal starts with letter K? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Idiot, okay? D. What animal starts with letter D? Okay, clap for her, clap for her, clap for her. Next person.
E.
Eh?
E.
E. What animal starts with letter E?
Elephant.
Elephant. Let's go. Next person. R. What animal starts with letter R? Eh? Hey, don't look at them. Look at me. Look at me. What rabbit? Rabbit. Okay, rabbit. Clap for her.